This morning, we're talking about reopening plans that are in retreat or at a standstill in much of the country. The new uncertainty over the pandemic comes as the World Health Organization warns the worst is yet to come. Think about that for a second. At least 16 states are halting reopenings, even as large crowds are expected to swarm beaches and businesses for this upcoming holiday weekend.
The U.S. reported more than 41,000 cases yesterday alone. The death rate has not risen as fast as case numbers, but U.S. officials warn that could change soon without action. Carter Evans is in Santa Monica, California. Carter, what are officials there doing to stop the spread?
Well, here in L.A. County, Anthony, they are closing beaches and they've canceled 4th of July fireworks displays. This comes as news of a record number of cases in the county, daily cases, nearly 3,000. At this point, health officials think 1 out of every 140 Los Angelenos could be infected with the virus and is likely spreading it to others without even knowing it.
We can't sustain this rate of increase on positive cases. We just can't.
Health officials in Los Angeles County are sounding the alarm. They could run out of hospital beds in just a few weeks. Hospitalizations in L.A. County are up more than 20% in the last 2 weeks. Statewide, they're up roughly 43% over the same period. Now authorities are stepping up enforcement.
Gatherings with people you do not live with are not allowed.
That's the mayor of Los Angeles reinforcing his mandate to slow the spread. Statewide, California ordered 7 counties, including Los Angeles, to close their bars, while 3 of the state's largest counties, including San Diego and Sacramento, closed bars voluntarily on Monday. California is one of 32 states reporting an increase in their 7-day average of new coronavirus cases. In 9 of those states, the rate of positive tests is more than 10%, including Arizona, where on Monday, Governor Doug Ducey closed bars, gyms, theaters, and water parks for 1 month after weeks of increasing hospitalizations and new cases. At a news conference, he was asked about letting bars reopen in May.
Did you screw up? We're fixing it.
People under the age of 44 account for more than half of all cases in Arizona, and while their risk of serious illness is low, the public health risk remains.
They can also share it with mom or dad or grandma or grandfather.
Which is what Sheila Grohl thinks happened after her 15-year-old daughter tested positive for the virus.
She had been to the malls.
Was she taking it seriously?
No, she's the first one that'll say, I don't need to wear no mask.
Grohl tested positive for the virus yesterday, and now she's worried about giving it to her 74-year-old father, who has Alzheimer's and was recently diagnosed with cancer.
He comes in here and he wants to check on me every 5 minutes. And I'm just so afraid he's going to get it.
Sheila says at first she wasn't too worried about the virus, but now she is urging everyone to wear a mask. And on that note, the governors of Kansas and Oregon now have a statewide mask mandate, as does the city of Jacksonville, Florida. And that's where the Republican convention is going to be held in August. Tony?
Yeah, those mandates are spreading. Carter, thank you very much.